Hi, myself Mohammed Tousif. I'm the founder and CEO of CYNUX ERA. So CYNUX ERA, it's a tech company where we are going to give cybersecurity training, cloud and EIML training. We have a various global certification like EC Council, CompTIA and Certiport. Our aim to give the best training normally for the students, and they should get global certified. Already we have partners with some of the universities like REVA University, Kristu Jayanti and University. We CYNUX ERA is proud to be a platinum sponsor for NASA Space Apps Challenge. We want to support for innovation, for collaboration, for student community, and as a tech company, students to be certified in cybersecurity, in cloud, in AIML, and we want some of the challenges how the NASA space apps they have. The students can get involved inside that thing, explore the real time of scenarios or problems, and they can able to gain some more knowledge.